Most persons score very high in JAMB, but they don't still get admission. Why those persons that score low are getting admission? Because of their post-UTME score. Now, post-UTME is one determining factor in you getting admission this year. JAMB is over. Leave that one. Bygone is bygone. JAMB is over. What you do now is what will determine if you get into university or not. Because universities value their post-UTME exam more than JAMB. That's the simple truth. But you know why people with high score they don't get admission? Most persons with high JAM score then don't get admission, because by the time they see their JAM result and the score is high, they will be so excited that they forget that they have post-UTME to write. Or they have that confidence. If I can write JAM, what is post-UTME? They are two different things. So that is why some persons with high JAM score they don't get admission, while people with low JAM score they are getting admission. Now, in this video, I'm going to be addressing what you need to know in post-UTME. First of all, I want to make this video very short. Now, let me go straight. Schools that are writing post-UTME, they value their post-UTME more than JAM. And post-UTME is not like JAM, where you write and go home before you see your result. Post-UTME, you see your result immediately. As you submit, you see your result. And one thing about post-UTME is they are not just testing your how brilliant you are. They are testing smartness. So time is a limiting factor also. So if you are preparing for post-UTME, there are several things you need to do in order to score very high in post-UTME. Most persons that score high in JAM score low in post-UTME because they are relaxed or don't know the right strategy to use in preparing. The strategy you use in preparing for JAM is a totally different thing from how you'll be preparing for post-UTME. So if you use that same strategy you use when you are preparing for JAM to face post-UTME, you will fail. I'm telling you. If you use the same strategy you used that time you're preparing for JAM, if you use that same strategy now that you're preparing for post-UTME, you will not do well. Because post-UTME is totally different from JAM. First of all, you have to understand the exam system you're preparing for. Different schools have different pattern, and good 18 are now open a group, a post-UTME group, because my post-UTME class starts on Monday. Today is 2nd, right? My post-UTME class starts on Monday. First of all, JAM policy meeting hosts on the 11th of May. So by then, cutoff mark will be out on that JAM, that 11th of May. Now, some persons are just sitting down doing nothing, waiting for cutoff mark to come out. When cutoff mark come out, what will you do? Start preparing for post-UTME now. People are already taking action, registering for my post-UTME class. So if you are preparing for post-UTME, you want to score high in post-UTME, whether your score in JAM was low or not, what determines now is your post-UTME score. Now, those persons are applying for competitive courses like medicine, pharmacy, nursing, anatomy, physiotherapy, med lab, all those competitive courses, anatomy, physiotherapy. If you don't prepare well in post-UTME, you will not get it. So now is the time to take action. Now, those persons that attended my JAM class, I'm sure none of you are regretting, because we did a nice job, right? In a short time, we covered a lot. Now, post-UTME, you have to start on time. My post-UTME registration is already ongoing. And if you're interested, you must be interested, because you get what you apply for. You know, after JAM, some persons were chatting me up. They're like, I wish I saw your channel before now. I wish I was aware of your JAM classes. Now, most of you are aware now. So now, if you think is what you want, chat me up on WhatsApp. My number is on the screen. Now, what you get from the class, this is what you get. Once you register, I'll add you up to the group. Class is starting on Monday. As I add you up to the group, when I say class is starting on Monday, I'm making this video on Saturday. Today is 2nd, right? 3rd, 4th. So class is starting on the 4th of May. Class is starting on the 4th of May. And for those persons that their work is not flexible, the class is actually flexible, meaning that you can always access lessons you've missed. This is what you gain from the lesson. Covering all the syllabus. This post-UTME class is for all universities, because I have access to their materials. So I'll be using the materials for all the universities. And first of all, I'll give you the scheme you need to cover. And anything you're applying for, just know you'll be writing maths. The last video I made, I saw somebody in the comment section saying, how will you write maths in post-UTME when you're applying for medicine? Is a lie. You will see it in the exam hall, and everywhere will feel blur. You are writing maths, so No matter what you are applying for, you are writing maths in Post-UTME. And most schools, okay, like Uniport now, Uniport, okay, take for example, many years ago, it should be 9 years now, I wrote Uniport Post-UTME. I was applying for pharmacy then. I wrote maths in my Post-UTME. I did not write maths in my JAM, but I wrote maths in Post-UTME. In fact, I was in calculus, and in fact, if you don't know integration, differentiation, you better go and learn it now. That's just by the way though. So once you register for the class, I'll give you outline of what you need to cover before the Post-UTME, and I'll be giving you past question for your school free of charge. Like Post-UTME past question for your school, you don't need to buy it, because once you register for my Post-UTME class, I will be sending it to you free of charge. You don't need to pay for the Post-UTME past question. I'm giving you free of charge, soft copy, free of charge. And the lesson is online. Online is flexible. If you miss a lesson, you can always go back to it and watch, right? And learn. Do you understand? So it's going to be on that WhatsApp group. So if some persons are already taking action already from the last video I made. Now I said let me make this video again as a reminder for those persons that have not seen, so you can register. Registration is affordable, and of course I was giving discounts for those persons that are registering on time. That's before the time I was giving discounts. So chat me up to get your discounts and start learning from next week. Some persons, they will still wait the 1 week to the Post-UTME. That's when they want to cover everything. You will submit that day. You know, Post-UTME, once you submit, you see your score. Some persons, they submit, they know if you stand up, no strength, because they not do well. If you prepare well, that day you'll be jubilating. Don't spoil your admission with your Post-UTME score. Register for my Post-UTME class today, and you'll never regret it. See you in my DM. My number is on the screen. Just chat me up and let me relate to me. Tell me your JAM score and any problem you have. Register for my Post-UTME class, and let's walk you through the admission journey. See you in my next video. My name is Excellent Simplified.